Welcome back. Today I'm going to be drawing a toxic villain. Accidentally went to YouTube. That was my mistake. So first off, we're going to grab a toxic green color. You can that's color. And you're gonna color half the eye in that specific color. And just wait. Right now you hear or see that it takes a second just because and then right after we're done with that, we gotta sharpen it up with the eraser, make it more smooth on the sides, have better corners, and then after we're done just filling everything in, like these bottom parts, all that. And we're going to sharpen up one more time to make sure it's good, and then we're going to go to yellow. And we're going to color the other half with yellow. So the reason why we're going to do this is because it gives it a little more detail. Instead of it just being one plain color, it's two, which is pretty cool. So right here you can see that the eye is really weird. Half of the yellow is like deformed, but right here you're going to see that I'm going to fix it, I'm going to erase it. Then we're going to move on to the other eye. We're going to do the exact same thing, so you can see how we do it, but this time we're going to put the yellow on the opposite side. So, well, kind of. So the yellow is closest to the nose, and if we were to put it on the other side, the yellow would be closest to my left ear. So instead, we're going to flip it to where the yellow part is always in the nose. As you can see, I'm just going to sharpen it up, erase some parts, get it to just look overall good. Then I'm going to switch back to the toxic green color, which you can see. Now, I'm going to color that half in, just exactly like the last. This is gonna take a second. I'm just gonna be quiet for just a second, show you, let you do everything or process it. If you want to follow along, you can, but we're just gonna sharpen it up, and yeah. Alright, now what we're gonna do is we are going to make a spiral in the eye. Kind of gives it a hypnosis type vibe. Sorry. As you can see, do it to both eyes. Makes it really cool. So when you like scroll out, it makes it look really cool. You can see very lightly the green and yellow. But now we're going to draw black lines going from top of my forehead, aligning with my nose, and going out when it hits my nostrils, going around the mouth. I'm just going to straighten it up here to make it look a little even, and then I'm going to start filling it in. So this part just makes it kind of look like it has a gas mask on, I guess you could say. But overall, it just helps the character type vibe to it. I'm about to finish right here. I accidentally erased a little bit of it, but that's fine. The most satisfying parts you can see up there near the nose. Once you fill those in, just like that, it's really satisfying. So this is going to take a second. I accidentally keep scrolling up a little bit, but as you can see, I'm going behind so I can erase later, which will help a lot. So I'm gonna just keep it right there, and then I'm gonna sharpen it up right here. Just sharpen it up, and then as you can see, I erased a little too much, so now it looks like a bird's beak. So I'm gonna fill that back in and make it more round to fit the jaw. And I'm gonna fill that in a little bit more. Just gonna color that in. Get it nice and even, and then I'm gonna make it curve out a little bit more just because it looks better. It looks like it fits my mask or my face more. We're going to come up here, we're going to finish filling out top part, and then we're going to sharpen that up too, give it a little more, make it a little more round to fit my face again. Then we're going to outline my face to give it just like, to make it seem like it's attached to my face. And then as you can see, we're going to color in the white spots of your eye with black, just because it makes it look cooler. Yeah, for both eyes, it's really messy right now because doing this, and it's kind of hard to zoom in a lot. I'm gonna just color. It doesn't really matter if it's messy at first, because you can always erase it. Right here, I'm gonna erase it. I accidentally pressed go back, so I gotta erase it again, but it's fine. Now it kind of looks like I have eye makeup on, but when you scroll out, it looks a lot better. So then right here, we're just gonna make a stitched type pattern. Now you saw right there, there was a big line from me swiping too fast across the screen. So we're gonna keep doing that until we get good thin lines on each side of my face. And then and you don't want it to go in the eye, you want it to go around just like I did there. Make it there, yep. And then we're just gonna do it the exact opposite. We're gonna do the other pattern, so like kind of an ice cream cone pattern. And it makes it look just overall pretty cool, so. Yeah, I accidentally drew a thick line there, you can see, so I had to redo it. But the thick lines make it harder to see the face, so you want to use thin lines, and there we go. That's my toxic character. I hope you enjoyed this video.